Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up geocoding and routing with Mapbox and Flutter, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up geocoding and routing with Mapbox and Flutter, start by creating a new Flutter project. Open your terminal and run the command flutter create your project name. Navigate into your project directory using cd your project name. Next, open the project in your preferred code editor. In the pubspec.yaml file, add the dependencies for Flutter Mapbox navigation and geocoding. Run flutter pub-get in the terminal to install the new dependencies. Ensure you have a Mapbox account and create an access token from the Mapbox dashboard. In your main Dart file, import the Mapbox and geocoding packages by adding the necessary import statements. Initialize the Mapbox navigation in the widget state. Create a method to handle geocoding by accepting an address as input. Within this method, use the geocoding package to fetch the latitude and longitude of the provided address. Next, create a method for routing that utilizes the Mapbox navigation API. This method should accept start and destination coordinates as parameters. Call the navigation method with the necessary parameters to initiate the routing process. Implement a user interface that allows users to input addresses for geocoding. Display the resulting coordinates on the screen after geocoding is complete. Add a button that, when pressed, will call the routing method with the user's selected locations. Test the application by launching it on a simulator or physical device. Monitor the console for any errors and troubleshoot as necessary. Once the app runs smoothly, optimize the UI for better user experience. Consider adding features like error handling for invalid addresses or no internet connection. Finally, review your code for any improvements and ensure it adheres to best practices. Your complete guide for setting up geocoding and routing with Mapbox and Flutter is now ready. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.